Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at Fondex. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Fondex is an award-winning, beginner-friendly broker that was founded in 2017. This broker is licensed by the Financial Services Authority of Seychelles and is a registered trade name of TopFX Global Limited. Fondex offers hundreds of tradable instruments across 7 asset classes and is an excellent choice for copy trading and automated trading. As a client, you will have access to educational articles, in-depth market analytics, news updates, and 24-hour customer support. Fondex offers competitive conditions for trading over 600 Forex pairs, indices, shares, energies, precious metals and ETFs. And this broker's accounts are suitable for all styles of trading. There are more than 80 tradable currency pairs, popular cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum, as well as dozens of other instruments that you can add to your portfolio. In general, your trades can be leveraged by up to 1 to 500 when trading with Fondex. If you do plan on trading with margin, please remember that you will not only be exposing yourself to better market opportunities, but also far greater financial risks. So be sure to use margin responsibly and only within the limits of your budget. To view detailed contract specifications and find out more about the instruments you can trade with Fondex, hover your cursor over the Trading tab and choose an instrument from the drop-down menu. If you require any assistance, you can reach the Fondex customer support team via live chat, email, or telephonically. You can also submit a callback or start an email conversation with them by submitting a web ticket from the website. Customer support is available 24 hours a day, and you will find direct contact details on the Contact Us page. Before you contact customer support, we recommend visiting the FAQ pages for helpful tips and to see if any of your questions have already been answered. If you require any assistance with managing your account, using the platforms, or anything else, you can contact the support team at any time. Fondex provides a sophisticated, user-friendly website with a simplistic design that makes it easy to navigate. The homepage highlights perks of being a Fondex client, along with a list of all the instruments offered and the awards this broker has won. If you are looking for trading insights, trading signals, helpful tips, or any other resources, you can choose an option from the For Traders tab. At the bottom of the homepage, you will find direct links to legal documentation, policies, as well as terms and conditions. You will find all the information you need by using the menu bar or the menus at the bottom of the page. We recommend reading through the terms and conditions before you make your first official deposit, if you do decide to join this broker. As a Fondex client, you can use cTrader. This platform was developed by Spotware, which was founded by FinTech expert and entrepreneur Andrey Pavlov, and was launched in 2010. cTrader has a fully customizable user interface and comes with built-in market analysis tools, more than 55 technical indicators, multiple chart types, and more. You can access market sentiments, an economic calendar, and news feeds directly from your dashboard, and cTrader offers advanced order protection and risk management features. This platform can be used for copy trading, automated trading, and all other styles of trading, and is trusted by over 1 million users worldwide. cTrader can be used on desktops, laptops, tablets, and mobile devices, and you can download it either from this broker's website or by heading to the official cTrader website. To learn more about the features of cTrader, click on the Platform tab for a full list of features and direct download links. There is one type of account that you can open with Fondex, and this broker also offers a swap-free account and a demo account. Fondex offers spreads from as low as 0.5 pips and commission-free trading. This account has negative balance protection and can be used for hedging and chart trading. If you are new to trading, then we recommend practicing using a demo account until you have a solid understanding of how trading works, as there are high financial risks involved. Demo accounts are the safest way to trade for beginners, and this account allows you to trade in a risk-free market environment using virtual funds. You can also use a demo account to test your strategies and try new tools and platform features. When you open a swap-free Islamic account, no interest or rollover fees are charged or earned when using this type of account. However, this account type is exclusive to Muslim clients. To learn more about the accounts and trading conditions Fondex offers, hover your cursor over the Trading tab and head over to the Account Overview page. Creating an account with Fondex will only take a few minutes, and the account creation process is free. You can follow a few simple steps to sign up. Firstly, launch the Fondex homepage, and then click on the Start Trading Now button. Complete the online application form. Next, you'll want to verify your account and email address. And once your account has been verified, you can log in to their client portal. No documents will be required when using a demo account. However, real accounts must be verified before you can make a deposit or a withdrawal. In most cases, account verification will require you to submit documents and answer some questions. However, after that is done, you will have full access to all the account features. After your account has been verified and set up, the next step would be to download and install the cTrader trading platform. Download and install cTrader, and then simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the cTrader trading platform with Fondex. In the center of the dashboard, you have your graph. On the left side of the dashboard, you can easily switch between a variety of your favorite instruments. And on the right side of the dashboard, you have a nice and simple one-click buy and sell order window. cTrader also provides a live updated economic calendar and an updated market newsfeed that you can follow at any time. If you are new to the cTrader trading platform, Fondex provides a wide variety of educational tutorials regarding platform functionality, or you can visit the cTrader website to learn more about trading on the cTrader platform and placing your first trade. No minimum deposit is required to open an account with Fondex. However, when you are ready to make a deposit, you can fund your account using US dollars, euros, pounds, or several other currencies. You can make a secure deposit using bank cards, wire transfer, crypto payments, pay trust, and bank deposits. No deposit or withdrawal fees are charged, and bank card payments are processed instantly. As a trader or investor, having access to educational resources, research material, and economic data is a key factor of success. Fondex provides updated market news and expert insights. So we recommend bookmarking this page and checking it often to see what's driving the markets. If you are new to trading, you can learn the basics of trading and improve your skills by reading Fondex's educational guides. With this broker, you can learn the basics of risk management, using strategies, and trading different instruments at your own pace, while you practice using your free demo account. So there's nothing to lose if you aren't using any real money. The awards a broker receives are usually a good indication of what that broker's strengths are. Fondex has received awards for being the best cTrader broker and for having the best trade execution, the best copy trading platform, and the best retail trading platform. Overall, Fondex is an excellent choice for beginners, copy traders, and automated trading. This broker offers commission-free trading and tight spreads on hundreds of instruments. Fondex offers competitive trading conditions and seems safe and reliable. However, opening an account is done entirely at your own risk and discretion. Remember that trading has high levels of financial risks and online markets are volatile, so be sure to trade responsibly and only trust the advice of a professional advisor. We highly recommend reading over the terms and conditions of trading with any broker before making any financial commitments. And that is our overview of Fondex. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.